Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing out there? Well, it's that time again. I'm taking a hired request list for summer of 2023. So if you ever have that song you've always wanted to learn to play on piano, whether you have sheets for it or you just have a YouTube video that you listen to, I can teach you how to do it. That's my specialty. I listen to things and figure out what people are playing, whether it's an album version or a cover version on YouTube or a live version of a concert. I figure out what they're doing. I write it down and I teach it to you in lesson form and send you the sheets. Isn't that great? That's my job. That's what I've spent my life doing. I've been 16 years on YouTube, and before that I did it, privately, going house to house teaching lessons to people. So here's your chance. So this is what you do to get on this list. Now, I'm opening this up. I've been teaching with sheets lately. So if you're someone who has piano sheets, traditional notation, music notes on sheets of anything, it can be a rock song. I'll entertain anything that you have music sheets for. It'll be a little less expensive if you do that because I don't got to figure it out, and I'll actually teach with the sheets. So that's an option for you. Or a lot of you are used to me just doing the whiteboard with the letters. That's fine. Doing the by ear lessons on the whiteboard. That's what I'm used to. So we can do that as well. So if you want to get on the list, you're going to send me an email, and you'll send either the sheet files, if you have a PDF or something. If you bought the sheets, you can send those to me, or screenshots of sheets are fine. Send those to me, or a YouTube link. So find what it is you want, whether it's an album version or a cover version or whatever. Send me a YouTube link, not another website, just a YouTube link. Here's my email address: easypianolessons@yahoo.com. Send that to me. That's your first step. Can you do more than one? Yes, you can. But keep in mind the requests are usually around $300 a piece because of the time it takes me to do it. It does take me, quite a while at my craft to do what I'm doing for you. So you can have sheets you send me in a PDF file or screenshots or whatever, however you do it. Or we can just do the old whiteboard piano lessons with the letters. We can do either way, okay? But if you send me sheets, I'm going to use the sheets to teach because it's cheaper, because I don't have to write out all the letters. And if I don't have to do that, then it'll save you some money that way. But if I'm writing out letters, then it's going to be more expensive. But number 2 here. So after you send me that email, I'll email you back with the cost. I know I used to do a bidding system, but I'm not going to do that anymore. So I'm just going to tell you what the cost is straight out. And the payment method, I use Venmo and PayPal, and you can use a credit card with PayPal, so there's no worries there. But we'll work all that out on an individual basis when you guys email me. So after you send me that, when I do your request, you'll get PDF sheet files, because I'll transfer my sheets into PDF files. So, and that's specifically for if I'm writing out whiteboard letters by ear, then I'll send you those files. And the lessons I upload to WebPianoTeacher.com. That's the website most of you are a member of or have been a member of. If you're not currently a member, you say, well, how do I get the videos? I can send those as files to you through email, but it's going to cost a little extra because these files are big. These video files are a lot, and I have to sit there at my computer and put them in mail drop in order to send them to you. That takes time. So the price for that will be probably an extra $20 for having to send you those files, which you could just pay $20 and be a member of this website and get them that way. Then you get access to other lessons too while you have your month membership. So anyway, that's how I do it. Any questions, you can also email me at easypianolessons@yahoo.com. Yeah, just send me an email there or any questions that you might have. I'm looking forward to the list. So the last question people have is, how long does it take? Well, it's the summer list, so I'll have yours done by the summer. If you're paying for, a big amount, like if you have a really tough song that's like $1,000, some of them are $1,000, if they're really difficult, and I got to figure them out. Then you're going to be higher up on the list. I tend to, if you spend a lot of money, I think you should be able to go first. But I tend to just take the lessons in the order that I get them. And then by the time summer's over, you'll have it. So I can usually do, 30 to 50 requests in that time, and that's about how many I'm going to take. So I can't wait for these. Send them to me, and I'll talk to you guys later.